are delicious.
Yeah.
So the first thing you will need is Rice Krispie cereal.
And some marshmallows.
You could use mini or the big ones.
Yep.
Some
But we're using mini.
Yeah. Say cooking spray.
Tintin Bay.
Cooking spray. And then some spatulas, a stove.
Can I have that one?
Yes. A stove, obviously, and a pan that you can put on the stove.
Yep.
And then a glass container,
And I had a
like a glass plate.
And ask permission for the stove. Safety first.
Yes.
Safety
Ask permission, and you are going to need an adult supervisor, which you have.
Yep.
Yes. So yeah, let's get started.
So you're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter. Then you're going to take your spatula and just swirl it around until it's melted. I want to see. And then you're going to add 4 cups of mini marshmallows. Pour in.
And then what?
And then mix. And mix, and then when it's all like the marshmallows are all melted, so I melted all of them. And then now it's Jade's turn.
So as you can see, I added some food coloring to my marshmallows. If you add a little bit of red, then it turns pink. If you add a lot of red, it turns like bright red. But that step is optional. So then you're gonna add 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats. I like to add it little by little, like half and half.
To make
And then mix it until well combined.
no, but I want to make this feeling.
And then I'm gonna add the rest because it totally needs more.
See, I want to
You wanna mix it, huh? And again, the stove is off. When we get started. So I mixed it all, and you're gonna turn out with this. It doesn't look that pretty right now, but I assure you it'll taste delicious. So I have a pan, and I sprayed it with cooking spray. So let's pour it in.
And so we are done making Rice Krispies, and look how beautiful and cute they are.
Yep, they are so delicious.
And
Bye, guys.